This your
You're good, bro. Hey, sorry.
Touch it, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Just go that way. Go that way. Yeah, just that way. Come on, come. I love you, but you gotta go that way. The what, huh? I'll turn the music on, but you go that way. Come on. Step that way. Damn. I mean, for real? Is there anybody here that can't hold their liquor? What do you want, Gianna? You gotta pee? I was nice. I didn't say anything. What? I didn't say anything. I literally... What do you want, Gianna? Tell me. What? Can we express this? Good luck. Raise your hand if you're on drugs. There's like 3 of you. 3? 3? No, we know you ain't. Okay, 4. Tony. Bro. Hey. You got no chance. Just tell her. You got no chance. Look. You can wear the Tabasco shirt all you want, but you got no chance. Johnny is an attractive woman. I got you. She's got sisters. I got you. Okay, let's party. Anybody that steps on this motherfucking trailer, you're done. I'm just telling you right now. Step on this fucking trailer and I will blow you up. I got 3 ARs in the dually. Eric, I love you. Okay, let's go. Thank you to the Stecky family for letting me use their trailer. And thank you to the Eric Brady family. What? You didn't do anything. No, you definitely did not do anything. So you're good. You got 75% on me. I got a little dick, so keep going. I drive a big truck. What? Oh, you want Germo? You want Germo? Yo, Germo! Germo! He's not here. Fuck it.
Yeah, so this next joint is called Issue. It's banging, man. I don't know what to say, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of new right now, so I'm gonna let you hear it and then after they come out, tell me what you think.
I'll go get him.
Oh my god!
You're a porn star and you want Jeremo. Jeremo. Come on, dude, get him. You guys are fucking losers. Right?
Hey, if you drink the fucking coffee, now play.
You tell me what you want.
Hey, play some banging, bro.
What?
Let's go.
Will you tell me what you want? Did you want Taylor Swift? Easy. Oh.
But you say it in the tweet, that's a cop out. Just like, hey, are you okay? And I ain't trying to mess with your self-expression, but I've known your lesson is just says impossible.
Yo, raise your hand if you would totally fuck Taylor Swift.
And snakes and swans never broke my
Just saying.
You're being too loud. And I'm just like, you need to just stop.
Hi, Brandy.
But can you just not?
I totally saw that.
You need to calm down. You are somebody
FYI, this is Tiffany and this is Gigi, huh?
friends like a missile. Boy, you are mad. And you could be glad. You could be glad. Sunshine on the street at the parade. But you would rather be in the dark ages making that.
This was a request from Tiffany. Raise your hands if you want to fucking leave.